Hello, my name is Jason Fain, and today I'm going to show you how to put a Flash movie in the background of a PowerPoint. Now currently when you're using Articulate and you decide to insert a Flash movie, I'm going to go ahead and do this now, you're going to find that it's always going to want to go in front of all of your objects. And there's no way to place anything in front of this at all. There's no send the back. And when you do send the back when you do this in the back, nothing happens. So let me go ahead and show you what I did here to kind of work around that. I actually got this idea from one of Tom's tutorials. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and import the stage. Now we need Flash to go ahead and do this. This is building off of the rollover effect here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and import the stage and find that same FLV file. Now I'm in CS4, so it's going to ask me some options, but I want to go ahead and embed the FLV into the SWF. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. In this particular video I don't have any audio, so I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that and then click next. Go ahead and click finish. It takes a little while and then there you go. So now I have my background here. This is actually set if I go into my properties by 720 by 540. That's the same that you need for the PowerPoint. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this here, and I'm going to go ahead and file, export this movie. Now there's no action script required, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is save this into my little movie backgrounds folder with my example PowerPoint, and then click save. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a master background. This is just a placeholder. Now this is going to be replaced in Articulate when we go back through. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one here, and I'm going to go to View and Slide Master. Now I don't need any of this stuff here, so I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let me go ahead and give it a background. I'm just going to give it maybe a black color here. Okay, close, and then just so I have a placeholder for my globe, we'll make a globe kind of thing here. Now I can go ahead and close my slide master. I can see it here and here. I'll go ahead and click delete, and now I need to publish. I'm just going to go ahead and leave these settings the same. Publish. And then now it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and view my presentation, launch, and as you can see it's this blue globe. Now we're going to go ahead and replace that, and just like Tom's tutorial, in order to do that we need to go into our folder and find our SWF file. So this is our SWF file. I'm going to go ahead and copy that now. Data, SWF. Now this is what we're going to replace it with, and you can double click to preview that, and then you can see what the slide looks like without that background. So what we're going to do is go ahead and paste this. Okay, now I'm going to hit F2 here and then Control C. That gets me this title name here, and I can go ahead and delete this one. Go ahead and send that to recycling bin, and now I find my untitled one, and I'm going to change that to that same name and click enter. Now if I travel up, I'm going to go ahead and launch the same player again, and as you can see, instead of having that background, I now have my little earth spinning with my text on top. So this is the trick I use to go ahead and send movies to the back. I'm sure you guys can come up with some other ideas for this as well. This is just my way of working around that, not being able to put objects, pictures, whatever else I wanted to put in front of the video. You can maybe even use some timing and then even caption your videos and make things more accessible, or just point out additional information. Okay, this is Jason Fain, and this is my first screener I've actually recorded. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later.